Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to apply for a BluPeak auto loan. The process is straightforward. First, you'll want to apply. You can do this online through the BluPeak Credit Union website, in person at a branch, or over the phone. When you apply, you will need to provide some personal and financial information. This includes your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and details about your income and employment. If you plan to have a cosigner or co-borrower, you'll also need their information. Once your application is submitted, BluPeak will conduct a credit report inquiry. They'll use this and other factors like your income and debt ratio to determine your eligibility and interest rate. After you're approved, you can shop for your vehicle. BluPeak offers financing for new and used cars. Once you've found the vehicle you want, you will provide the vehicle's information, such as the VIN, make, model, and mileage, and finalize the loan. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.